Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been using Facebook and suddenly run into the error message that's saying try changing your settings later, you are not alone. This issue can be really frustrating, especially if you are trying to update your profile privacy settings or your account preferences. So whether it happens when you are trying to change your notification settings or updating your information, it can be a roadblock to your Facebook experience. But don't worry, because the good news here is that there are some of the simple fixes that you can use to solve this problem, and you can get back to enjoying Facebook without any hassle. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links of all the resources mentioned in this video, linked down in the description. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in this step 1, you will have to just refresh the page. So this is the first thing that you can try. You can just simply click on the refresh button here, and you can just try refreshing the page. Sometimes the error occurs because of a temporary glitch, or reloading the page can actually help you. If you are using Facebook on your web browser, you can just click on the refresh button. That will be the circular button on the top right hand corner of the screen on your web browser. In your app, you just have to do it just like this, and your feed will be refreshed. So after doing this, you can try updating your settings again by tapping on the profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and going to your settings. Then you can check whether the problem is resolved or if the issue is still there. If refreshing didn't work, you can try logging out of your account and logging back in. This can actually help reset your session, and it will also help clearing up the temporary issues. So you just have to open your Facebook application just like so, then tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you just have to scroll all the way down, and here you will see the option of logout. So once you tap on logout, you will be landed on the home page of Facebook, where you just have to provide your login credentials of Facebook, and you need to basically logging back in your Facebook accounts. After doing so, you will have to again come into the settings of your device and try updating your settings and see if you are facing any kind of errors, or if you are able to update the settings very easily. Another fix that you can try is simply clearing the cache of your Facebook application. For that, you just have to come out of your Facebook app, then long press on its icon, then tap on the option of I. Once done, you will be in the app info of Facebook, where you just have to scroll down and select the option of clear data in the bottom right hand corner, and then tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now, depending on your device, you may not be able to see the clear cache option in the bottom right hand corner. So if that's the case with you, you just have to tap on the storage option, and most probably you will find clear cache option in your storage. So in your storage, tap on the clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So if you are using Facebook in your web browser, you just have to go to the settings of your web browser, then select the option of clear cache in the search bar, and from there you can clear the cookies and the caches. So once you are done with it, you just have to reopen your Facebook application and check if the issue is fixed or if it is still there. You can also try using a different device or a browser. For example, if you are using your Facebook account in your Facebook mobile application, you can just try opening it in your web browser, and this can also help you in resolving this issue. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. You can leave a comment as well if you are still having the problem, or if you need further assistance, and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.